What I'll discuss you guys is their promo term until the end of the month only. Again, until October 31st only, PH time. Kaya gusto ko sanang i-upload to this Saturday here in the Philippines para makahabol pa tayo. Dahil ngayon, month no, walang spot payment. Community with its own clinic or community clinic powered by the medical city with different wellness programs, with its own fire truck, a well-sustainable community because it also has its own potager garden with fresh produce, vegetable. At guys, dito ako pinaka-excited because it's location. You can own this high-end community by buying their IKEA furnished condominium unit with mountain view. So kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa likod, meron pa tayong mga units na merong mountain view. Gano'n naman kaganda yon when it comes to rental income, no? Lalo na yung mga rental market na sa'yo pupunta kasi meron kang isang selling point na wala yung iba, or for your own retirement. Gano'n naman kaganda na kapag lalabas ka at pupunta ka sa balcony mo, itong view yung makikita mo. This is Una Apartments at Savina Park, and I will show you, no, yung magiging studio at one-bedroom unit with a mountain view. I know I already featured this condominium project recently, but pasukin ulit natin, no, para mas makita nyo kung ano yung itsura ng model unit natin, no? So, umpisahan natin dito sa studio unit. So, itong studio unit, ang deliverable niya, no, aside from the smoke and heat detector, fire sprinkler, voice data, and IPTV connectivity, fiber optic cables, carbon monoxide monitor, single-point water heater provision, centralized fresh air and unit exhaust, split-type air conditioner, may washer or dryer provision na rin siya, backup power, and sa kitchen area, meron na rin siyang base and overhead kitchen cabinetry. Living or dining area, you have dining table with chairs na good for 2 packs. Sleeping area, meron na tayong bed frame and mattress for double size, and also wardrobe cabinet, toilet and bath mirror, and utility area storage. So technically, yung mga appliances na lang ang kailangan mong ibigay for basic living, livable na talaga siya. Tara, pasukin natin tong 28 square meters studio unit para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura. As you enter this studio unit, on the left, no, ang ganda kasi it's still pleasing no sa eyes, no, na kahit nandito yung front load washing machine, hindi siya eyesore. Ang katabi niya is refrigerator, and ang maganda dito, meron ditong storage for the like for example, yung wardrobe mo, and then nandito yung toilet towel mo, and then on your right, no, again, this is what I like about their kitchen area. Kasi sa deliverable unit, usually yung mga condo na ino-offer ko, ito lang babang cabinet ang kasama. But for this one, for the turnover unit, may overhead cabinetry na kasama. And of course, this is the dining table with 2 chairs na kasama ulit sa deliverable unit, no? So, puntahan muna natin itong bathroom. I just want to highlight, no, like itong doorway na to. Kita nyo naman yung material. Yung material nito, very high-end. Yung flooring nito, no, is an SPC or stone polymer composite yung ginamit. IKEA furnished, and dahil nga wala na dito yung washing machine, no, naging spacious siya. So, tara, silipin nyo, no? So, ito yung naging itsura nung kanyang lavatory. And then, nandito yung toilet and bath, no? So, punta naman tayo dito, no? Kung dito talaga sa pinaka-area where the bedroom is located. Of course, merong overhead cabinetry. So, lapit kayo sa akin. Meron silang carbon monoxide monitor, no? Sa airtight kasi yung mga units natin. So, this is very high-end. And then, talagang i-invite sila for an energy-efficient para sa savings, no, of up to 20% dahil ito ay LEED certified, no, or Leader for Energy and Environmental Design. And dahil meron na rin deliverable unit na split type air conditioner, kahit may condenser dito sa balcony, spacious pa din siya. Of all the units or of all the condominium projects that I'm offering, this has the widest or spacious balcony, no? So, tignan naman natin yung pricing ng mountain view ng studio unit. So what I'll discuss you guys is their promo term until the end of the month only. Again, until October 31st only, PH time. Kaya gusto ko sanang i-upload to this Saturday here in the Philippines para makahabol pa tayo. Dahil ngayon, month no, walang spot payment. Imagine, high-end condominium unit katabi ng Silicon Valley of the Philippines and just right across the 50-hectare development of De La Salle, Laguna. Napakaganda for potential rental market sa future. So, for the price of studio unit, this is a mountain view, no? It's 7.5 million pesos, including the titling related expenses or other charges. The total amount is just around 7.8 million pesos. Dahil nga walang spot payment, yung 20%, no, would be spread into 4 years or 48 months at 0% interest. So sa first year, 23,000 pesos, second year, 28,000 pesos, third year, 31,000 pesos per month, and fourth year, 40,000 pesos per month. Kaya ang tawag nila sa promo na to na ngayong October is Step Up 2080 promo term. Yung 80% na balance, which amounting to 5.9 million pesos plus the 234,000 na other charges, can be loaned through National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation. Ito yung binabanggit ko sa inyo, which is kaya ako nasasabi na still itong project na to kasi naka-partnered at na-accredit sila dahil ito nga ay LEED certified, no, na merong ka lang 4% interest rate per annum for the whole 15-year term. Hindi ito katulad ng ibang lending institution na may repricing or fixing period, no, na after 3 years, depende sa economic performance ng Philippines, magbabago. Pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng bumaba yung interest rate per annum. But this one, guys, ito lang ang meron sa industry ngayon na may 4% interest rate per annum. But guys, no, disclaimer, this is only the computation for the mountain view. Of course, meron pa tayong cheaper price if it's not a mountain view or if it's located at the lower level of the condominium project. So, technically, prime lang itong dinidiscuss ko sa inyo. So, again, mas mababa pa, just inquire lang sa akin kung gusto niyo lang talaga ma-acquire kasi jari ang ganda ng unit but I'm not after the view. I'm after na talagang makaposisyon lang dyan sa sleeping giant area na yan. So, we are here at the 40 square meter one-bedroom unit. So, if you want a bigger area, so ito yung model unit natin. Again, napakita ko na to sa unang video pero pakita ulit natin ngayon. Just like the studio unit, this is an IKEA furnished condominium unit, no? Ang deliverable unit, merong mga dining table, overhead kitchen cabinet, no? Aside from this one, and of course, meron na ring cabinetry sa room, and at the same time, meron na ring mattress, no? So, ang maganda dito, tignan nyo guys, no? Dahil nga nagiging spacious siya, lalo na yung bathroom, dahil wala dun yung CR, nakatago yung utility area niya, no? For the washing machine or washer or dryer and the shelving system. Ang ganda talaga ng feels, no? Lalo na yung mga team kahoy dyan. I know mai-inlove kayo sa ganitong design, no? At the same time, no, ang ganda ng dining table. And ito para akong nasa resort, no? Yung style, yung ginamit nilang flooring, yung tiles, no? Yung design ng CR. Ayan. Dahil nga wala yung washing machine, again, spacious na, mas malaki pa siya tignan. And nandito yung living area niya. And then meron television here, you can put your television here also. And then nandito yung spacious balcony niya. Ang deliverable unit pala dito, may free na split type aircon. Dahil ito ay one bedroom, dalawa din yung split type aircon na free. One for the living area and one for the bedroom area. Kahit dalawang condenser yung nandito sa balcony, spacious pa rin siya tignan. Punta tayo dito sa bedroom. For the bedroom, still, no, ang luwag pa rin niya tignan. Nandito yung cabinet, nandito yung queen size, no, na bed, and hindi talaga siya masikip tignan dahil mataas yung floor to ceiling height ng unit. For the computation of the mountain view one bedroom unit, again, this is a mountain view. If you will reserve this October, I know we still have few units left, but ang kailangan nyo lang is reservation para wala kayong spot payment sa unahan. Ang total contract price niya would be at around 11.5 million pesos, including the technically the other charges or miscellaneous fees. Mas mahal, no, kapag corner unit pa yung binili nyo. But I'm talking about just like an inner unit of the Mountain View 1-bedroom unit here at Una Apartments. Reservation fee is 50,000 pesos only. 1 month after the date of reservation, nakaspread na, no, yung 20% for 4 years. For the first year, it's only 29,900 pesos per month. Second year, 37,800 pesos per month. Third year, 46,000 pesos per month. And fourth year, 56,000 pesos and 600 pesos per month. The balance would be at around 8.8 million pesos plus the 328,000 pesos other charges or miscellaneous fee. Guys, you are not just buying the property itself, but you are buying time, the flexibility, no? Imagine, trust me guys, no, yung mangyayari sa area na to, even us brokers, talagang tinatawag to na sleeping giant. Kaya this is a steal, lalo na yung loanable balance na 4% lang. National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation dahil na approve sila ng Balay Verde program of this lending institution. And of course, yung Mountain View na hindi mo mapapalitan yan, guys. Permanent na. Kung ano yung binili mong view, forever na yung nandyan. Meron man siyang premium pero long-term benefit talagang you're getting what you pay for. So kung gusto niyo makahabol dito sa payment term na ito, no, dahil may spot 10% na next month, you can directly contact me 0927-185-1590. That's my iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. I am also available through Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube through the Property Geek name. And you can directly message me, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. That's my personal Facebook account. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok, guys, no. This has been Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek.